Hi guys, make sure to like, subscribe. Today we are back in Roblox Jailbreak. We are being a cop. Oh, there goes the Lamborghini. I have just two vehicles behind me. I am going to be showing you where to get the two brand new cars, the Deja and the Ray. So first, to go get the Deja, you're going to want to come over near the donut store. I'll direct you from the donut store because I think everyone knows what the donut store is. So you're going to want to be in this back parking lot. You're going to want to come to the main road. This is not the best place for it. It is in the houses. And it spawns right here. It is 10,000. I already bought it. Now, I'm a big user of the fan, so if we drive, it drifts. Look at that. Look at that drift. Did everybody see that? Look at that smoke it's leaving behind and the drift. It's amazing. I mean, it's not that fast, but for 10,000, it's a really good car. Next time, I'm going to be showing you where to get the car that's even better than this, which is another extremely cheap car. Oh, hold on. Criminal. Gotta go get the criminal. Wait, I want to try something. Oh no, it's not working. I bet you they don't have bounties at all. Dang, we both flipped. Dang. Next, you're going to want to come past the city garage. Gonna want to come up here. Come past this. Okay, is that one of the benches from the prison? That's literally a bench from the prison. Wow. You're gonna want to come here where you deliver your crates for the cargo plane. Oh god, why am I not jumping out? There we go, just a little lag. And boom, the Ray. My favorite car of the update. I'm pretty sure it's not called the Ray in real life. And I'm pretty sure it's not called the Deja in real life. But it looks pretty sick. It goes fairly fast. And I would say this would have to be my favorite car of the entire update. I wonder if it's as fast or as fast as the Lamborghini. Alright guys, you saw that in person. These are the two brand new cars in Jailbreak. There also have been buffs. I'm not really sure if they were the best. But as you may see, a good chunk of people are playing police because of the new buffs. And there's almost nobody playing criminality. Just as expected. I mean, user predicted this. So, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and the next person who subscribes will be getting a video of their own on the YouTube channel. The video will be dedicated to them. Next person who hits that subscribe button and turns on the notification bell, I can monitor that. So, you will be getting a video on your own. If you want a video on your own, it will either be a shout out if you don't comment a Roblox username. If you do comment a Roblox username, it will be a video with your character dedicated to you. Make sure to like, subscribe.